That's where raisins came from.
Sorry, say that again?
Nothing.
Here's Steve. Want to see Lisa. Lisa's so nice that she brought us some beer.
That's a true wife. That's what a wife would do.
Yeah.
Would have told me to fuck right off.
Especially an RC wife,
Yeah.
right? She's hot, man.
You see her?
No, not that.
I gotta-
not close enough.
I got those
Unfortunately.
cameras that you can see her naked.
In her,
I could put her in those little tiny things.
are they hidden in her bedroom?
I wish.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna.
If you do,
Is that rude or?
can you post it on the internet?
No. I
Oh.
got that other one I can post on the internet.
Oh.
Right to the toothbrush where she's using the bristles.
See, it was fast. Like, he drove there way faster than we could have walked.
Oh yeah, for sure. And
Or
we didn't have to go. So.
Crawled in a drunken stupor.
Hey Lisa! What are you doing?
I didn't even kiss her thank you. That's kind of rude.
I'm worried with your video recording because I couldn't say anything because my wife found out stuff.
Oh, this is going right on YouTube, buddy. Right? Oh, of course it. Everything does, right? Unedited.
That's it. That's the last beer. So Steve gets there.
So Steve gets here. He's right there. He's coming. Well, he might get stuck, you know, so let's not count those beers until they've hatched, right?
Yeah.
This is like the best video I've ever made, too.
Yeah. I want to give you a DVD copy of that.
Don't
other
get
video,
stuck, Steve.
Right to the toothbrush. Can you put that on YouTube?
It'll just get taken down.
Really?
Yeah. It'll last like, 10 minutes before the, they actually like review it before it goes up even, right?
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
I can give you the CD copy. Email it.
Hey, he's back with the beer.